welcome back to our weather update today. We're taking some time off for reasons. It's probably after the award ceremony. Now we're back. Right now, what's going on in Minnesota is right now hasn't taken really effect yet, and people in Minnesota will not be probably seeing effects until later this afternoon, possibly until 3 or 4 now. It's right now near 1. And we're gonna head into the Watches and Warnings map. This is gonna be a lot to say the least. And this is what. So first of all, we're gonna go with wind advisories issued for Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, and Kansas. High wind warnings are issued for Kansas, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska. Blizzard warnings issued for Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, and Missouri. Then winter storm warnings issued for Minnesota. And winter weather advisories issued for Illinois, Wisconsin, Missouri, Iowa, and Minnesota, and North Dakota. As right now, winds could be up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. So, also, because you could see around up to a foot of snow, possibly. We're gonna head into the winter storm severity index. What you could expect if you're in the red. Then, this is counting all of them, by the way. Possibly high major impacts could be for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and North Dakota, with also around moderate impacts for Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, and South Dakota and North Dakota. You could see part of like extreme impacts, but that's going to be probably mostly off of blowing snow or this usual. And this could be this is the second blizzard and so far in the upper Midwest, so in a month. And with the above average heat warmth, I think that will supply moisture. And so we're gonna head into the GFS. What is showing for snowfall? If you're in the purple, you could be seeing over 6 inches. You're in the blues, maybe around 2 to 6. Also if you're in the pink, you could see up to a foot maybe. And that's within. So that is within realm of possibility. I think this is the higher end. Mid-range would be probably around the forecast, which is around 6 to 10 for parts of Minnesota. So also parts in the Northeast, you could see some other from this. You could see more from the system. It's right now pretty unknown right now on what accumulations, and tomorrow we'll return to it. High risk issued for over an inch, over 4 inches. For parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and South Dakota, surrounding it in Wisconsin, Iowa, Minnesota, and South Dakota. You could see there's a realm possibility of also 4 inches of snow. Just take it as what it is. And it's definitely a dangerous situation for people that are going to be traveling. Cancel your plans, or at least proceed with caution at least. So that's the end of the video. Hope you did enjoy. Tomorrow we'll be bringing back another weather update for portions of Northeast, and also there's a snow squall threat for also parts of the Midwest. You could be seeing snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches maybe per hour at the most, and could be lasting for brief periods of times, but it's definitely gonna be, since it's gonna be pretty dangerous situation. So apart from that, it's really not very much apart from that, Northeast, you could I'd be keeping an eye out on forecasts, and there could be another 2 systems, maybe one in the later week, later next week, that could be bringing something. So apart from that, that's it. Goodbye.